central Campbell County, Boone County, Northwestern Grant County, north central Owen County, Gallatin County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kentucky Speedway, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Covington, Independence, Erlanger, Edgewood, Alexandria, Ellesmere, Fort Mitchell, Villa Hills, Taylor Mill, Fort Wright, Crescent Springs, Walton, Crestview Hills, Lakeside Park, Rising Sun, Oak Grove, Burlington, Claryville, Union, and Crittenden. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Kentucky between mile markers 59 and 77. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 164 and 186.